Okay, welcome back to my channel again. Now, we're going to identify whether G is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 under addition modulo 6 is a group. To determine whether G is a group, we must verify the following four groups axioms: closure property, associativity, identity, and then verse. Now, let's proceed to closure property. When element added to another element from the set, the result will also be in the set. The set is G is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. A plus B modulo 6 is an element of G. Therefore, let's try this. 0 plus 0 modulo 6 is equal to 0, and 0 is an element of G. And 0 plus 1 modulo 6 is equal to 1, also 1 is an element of G. And 0 plus 2 modulo 6 is equal to 2, and 2 is an element of G. And 1 plus 2 modulo 6 is equal to 3, and also 3 is an element of G. And 2 plus 3 modulo 6 is equal to 5. But 5 is not an element of G. And 1 plus 3 modulo 6 is equal to 4, and 4 is an element of G. Now, observe that there is a 5 appear in the element, but 5 is not in G. Therefore, G is not closed under addition mod 6, because there is 5 appear in the element, but 5 is not an element of G. Because based on the definition, when an element added to another element from the set, the result will also be in the set. Therefore, G is not closed under addition modulo 6. Next is associativity. For all A, B, and C is an element of G. A times B times C is equal to A times B times C. But the operation is addition. That's why we're going to use A plus B plus C is equal to A plus the quantity of B plus C. In modular addition, it is always associative, no matter the set. This is a general property of modular arithmetic. Therefore, G is associative. Next is the identity. An identity is a special element that when used in the operation doesn't change any other element. In modular addition, 0 is the identity element since A plus 0 is equal to A modulo 6. Kasi lahat ng element at inad natin sa 0, the result is always the element. For example, 0 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, identity property is satisfied and the identity is 0. Next is the inverse. Dito naman sa inverse, you must be able to find another number in G that cancel out A under addition modulo 6 and gives the identity which is 0. So, dito na nga, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Yung 0 natin is yung element. And yung element na naman is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Mod 6 is equal to 0. Pero dito pa lang, may problema na. Kasi yung 5 is not an element of G. And the inverse of 1 is 5, but 5 is not in G. So, 1 does not have an inverse in G. Therefore, inverse property does not satisfied. The question is it abelian? No. To say that a structure is abelian, it must satisfy all four groups properties: the closure, associativity, identity, and inverse. G is not a group, although the operation is commutative. We cannot call it abelian. Therefore, G is not a group and also it is not abelian.